Hi guys, welcome back to the Daily Forex. In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about step index. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade step index using a simple technical analysis and two indicators to help us predict the market trends. Alright, so what we're going to do is to go to the indicators section and select the RSI, which is the relative strength index. So we're going to look for the relative strength index right here. We're going to set it on period 14 while we apply it to close right here, and we put it on all time frames so that you can see the levels of the time. Then we put a style on 2 pixel, which is the second one right here, and the color is going to be on blue, but you can use any color of your choice. The line is going to be the one with the first one, which is the straight line pattern. Okay, you click on done right here. All right, then also we're going to set the levels, which is the level 10 right here and level 90. You can see I've already set the levels, but on yours it's going to be on default 0, so you can choose 10 right here and also 90. We're going to put on buy on the level 10. We're going to put buy right here on level 10, while we're going to put on sell on level 90. Then the style right here, we're going to put it on 2 pixel, while the color should be on black, or you can use any color of your choice. Then the line right here is going to be the one on the middle, okay, the one with space line. Okay, then the pixel is going to be the one on 2 pixel, which is this one right here, 2 pixel. Then you click on done. Okay, then when you click on done, you can already see right here there's a sell right here and there's a buy right here. Okay, then we're going to put on another indicator, which is the MACD. I'm going to put it on indicator window 1. I'm going to choose on the MACD right here. Then you can see right here we'll put on 12 on the fast EMA, and the slow EMA I put on 26, and the MACD SMA I put it on 9 while I apply to close. Okay, then you set it on all time frames as well. Then the main right here on the style section is going to be on 2 pixel, while the color is on black right here. Then the signals is on 2 pixel and the color is on red. Okay, where I use the straight line pattern right here. Then we click on done. Okay, so these are the two indicators, the RSI and the MACD, which we are going to use to predict the market trends. Then we're going to use some technical analysis to analyze the market for a buy and a sell entry position. Okay, so I want you guys to listen carefully so that you can understand the strategy that I'm about to share with you guys. Okay, so when the MACD touches or crosses this level of 90, you take a sell. Okay, on the step index you take a sell, so it's going to give a sell signal. That's why I added sell right here on the level of 90 so that you can know when is a sell entry. Okay, so when it gets to this level right here, you take a sell. Okay, then when it gets to this level right here on the level 10, you take a buy. Okay, so the market is going to buy when it gets to level 10, and the market is going to sell when it gets to 90. Okay, because here's the resistance level, so whenever the market gets to this point, the resistance level, the market is going to drop down for a sell, and when it gets to support zone, it's going to give you a signal for a buy. All right, so if you want to trade the step index without using indicators like this, you just want to use the technical analysis just alone, what you have to do is to remove the indicators. Okay, you clear all the indicators, and we're going to use just technical analysis on the step index strategy. Okay, now you see here is the resistance and here is the support. Okay, so what you need to do is to wait. Whenever the market gets to this level right here, you take a sell, and whenever the market gets to this point, you take a buy. Okay, for an instant, let's say we take a buy. So right here you can clearly see that the market has gotten to the support zone, so what we're going to do is to take a buy. Okay, well, the market is going to buy. If we enter a buy position right here, enter a buy position, okay, on a lot of 0.5 right here, bought the market at this point. Okay, so the market is going to buy right here, just like I said. You can see the market is buying. Okay, so what you want to do is to set a stop loss below this point. Okay, when you got in the profit, all you have to do is to exit that entry. Okay, so you've got to that profit, you exit the entry, then you wait again for another entry position. Okay, so this is just an example of a technical analysis. Okay, so you can use the indicators, the RSI and the MACD to trade, and also use technical analysis to trade. Okay, now if we go back and choose on the main window so that we can set the indicators, which is the RSI right here, I'm going to put on the MACD. Putting the MACD, then I'm going to click on done. Okay, just like I said right here, you can clearly see that the market is going to buy because that's gotten to the support zone. Okay, So you can see the accuracy of these indicators helping us to predict the market trend successfully than the technical analysis. Okay, you know, technical analysis, you can trade the market, but it won't always give you, you know, a good trade all the time, because you can see the levels of the markets correctly with just technical analysis alone. That's why you need to apply some indicators to help you see the market movement correctly and the trends of how the market is going. Okay, if it's going in a buy or if it's going on a sell. Okay, if it's an uptrend or if it's a downtrend. All right, so you can see that right now this market is in a buy position, okay, because it has gotten to this level. So now I believe after watching this video, you now have an idea on how to trade step index using this strategy that I just shared with you guys, using technical analysis and also the indicators such as the RSI and the MACD. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video and you really enjoyed watching this video, then do well to like and subscribe to the channel, The Daily Forex. I will see you guys on the next video.